Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add and delete fields in audience in Mailchimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is let's go to Mailchimp. You just want to simply click here on audience, and right here you want to click on all contacts, and then you want to simply go to settings next to the inbox, and you're gonna see here audience fields and merge tags. Right here, you're gonna see all the fields, and what you can do is this. So you can simply click here and delete address, and press right here delete. Or what can I do? Is simply add a field, and let's add address again. And this is pretty much it how you do it, right? And now it's just like put a tag here and save changes. So this is how you can do it. It's like that simple, that easy. And I can like do multiple ones. Add a field here. I can go with a website, right? I would just add here the tag here. And then I would just like go with field type, website, save changes. And when I would go to overview of the audience or manage contacts, view contact, I can see it right here, the tags, website here, and voila. This is pretty much it how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.